Hello everyone. Today I, Preeti Agarwal, along with my teammate Satyajit Nayak from Team Hasta would be presenting on environmental analysis. Hope you have seen our previous video where we covered the industrial analysis of Tata Motors Finance Limited. Environmental analysis is done using current and the future PESTEL. Just for a refreshment, let's have a look at the definition of PESTEL. PESTEL analysis is a tool that is used to analyze the macro-environmental factors that can have profound impact on the organization's performance. Let's have a look at the political factor. Interference by the government. Interference by the government can be positive or negative. It has always affected the business operations. The government regulation to address the liquidity crisis of NBFC is a positive one. Government interference can save the businesses that otherwise won't survive. India-China border dispute. India in April changed its FDI policy after the People Bank of China decided to up its stake in India's HDFC Bank. The dispute between the two countries look seemingly worried in context of the change in the power dynamics. Tax rate. The change in the tax policy due to the COVID-19 can affect the businesses and the industry. The change in the tax slab and the rate, the tax deduction on the interest paid on the loan taken for the purchase of the electric vehicle can be an opportunity for the financial service industry. Moving on to the economical factor, demand slowdown. There are two major components that affect the economic growth of a country. First being the demand and second being the purchasing power of the consumer. Both of them are low at this point of time. However, the increase in the agriculture productivity and adoption of the digital technology can lead to increase in the rural demand, thus providing an opportunity for financial service industry. Credit quality. Asset quality will play an important factor. The financial service organization run the risk of increased NPAs if the borrowers are unable to generate cash or the cash generated is not enough to honor the payment of the interest and installment in the timely manner. There will be a deterioration in the credit quality of the loan portfolios. Interest rate. The monetary policy makers are decreasing the interest rate. In India, the interest rate is the lowest ever since 2000. The central bank is asking banks to lend money at the lower rate to flourish the businesses. The further presentations will be taken forward by my teammate Satyajit Nayak.
Thank you, Preeti. Hello everyone, I am Satyajit Nayak. So in PESTEL analysis, let us talk about the social factor. So the first point is health consciousness. The COVID-19 has changed the total scenario. Now people are more conscious towards their health. So now they are rethink before traveling any public transport. So to avoid the risks, the best way is use the personal vehicle. So next is the second point. The second point is change in preferences. Now there is a structural shift in consumer behavior. So there is a reduction in investment activities. Now they are more preferred to the digital channels because they are now focusing on only the basic essential goods. So now the third point is less human interaction. So due to the lockdown situation, there is a less human interactions. Now the financial service organization have struggled with the customer in the terms of trust and confidence, especially in time of the crisis. Let us understand about the technological factor. The first point is online presence. This pandemic has led us to uses in increase in online platforms. In this scenario, we need a proactive, customized and omni-channel communication plan. So the social media is the most important thing which is connected with the customer and the shareholders. The second point is new innovation and investments. Now every institutions, every organizations are using the advanced technology and the new updated operating models for smooth running of their business. The blockchain is the one of the financial service technology which has two pillars. One is trust and another is transparency. Now there is a more usage in SaaS and cloud-based platforms. The third point is impact on product offering. There is always be the impact of the product offering, like the industry or the institution or the organization are going to offering the product which has the more impact. Now this is changed, and for the COVID-19 scenario, customers want different offer and different products. Next is environmental factors. So right now I am talking about three environmental factors, that is waste management, air pollution and environmental pollution. So we have been hearing it like nature is healing itself, and there is a very low pollution level in the air because of the lockdown. So obviously there is an impact of the environment on the businesses. Now let us talk about the legal factors. So the first one is health and the safety laws. So now every organization is focused on their employees and the customers both. There is a regular checkup of the temperatures and usage of the sanitizers, and there is the using of the safety equipments. And also company has to follow the rules and regulation of the government. If they are not following, then they have to give penalties. So the next point is regulatory compliances. Now every company is following the Surface Act. If not, they have to be follow it. There should be the rules and regulations for each and every industries for according to the Surface Act, and it has to be conducted. Then the third point is, let us talk about the data protections. So we know financial industries are mostly have protect to their data because they have the financial data, and it has more risks than everything. So for that they are using firewalls, and the financial executives also know about the cyber crime, cyber threats. That's why they are also using the cyber securities and KYC securities. So it is they are using the high fire.
Let's have a quick glance at all the points we covered regarding impact of the pestle on the financial service industry. A slowdown in business activity. Remote working or rotating shift will result in reduction of capex and opex, influx of repossessions, risk of increased bad loans or NPAs, disruption to physical operation, cyber crimes, digitalization and cost of technology, impact on asset quality and liquidity. Thank you and stay tuned for more presentation from Team Hasta.